Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Angels of Creativity. My name is Sumitra. You can also find my work on my Insta handle Vedic Fine Art. Today I am going to show you how I made tea coaster at home. I'll provide needed materials link in the description box. You can check from there. Also, if you want to buy this, you can message me on my Instagram at Vedic Fine Art. Before we start the video, if you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel for further videos like this. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Now without taking much time, let's get started. So I am taking MDF wood circle that I bought from Instagram, uh, art resin vibes. Now I will prepare my coaster. I will give black acrylic color coat to it, and after it dries I will coat it second time for better finish. After it dries completely, I take a compass and make some circles using that. It will help us to give symmetry to mandala dots. We can choose any color for dots, it's just that it should look good together. Here I made this light blue by adding white in blue and make a big dot using pencil back. Now I will take anything which have smaller back than pencil and will dot around the big dot. I will introduce here all the technique of dots so you can create many mandalas using that. We have to place the dot between two dots so it can form a pattern. Enjoy watching this video. I will meet at the end of the video. Here I am taking pencil point and give dot from that. We should take color only once and give dots around the big dot. Remember, middle dot is big, rest are decreasing inside going toward inner side. Now I am creating one more pattern here. I just make a dot using pencil tip. Now clean the tip with cloth. Now I just drag the dot downward to create such design. I hope today's video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, if you like it, please comment and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Keep watching and stay connected.